Welcome to RTO Learning. In this tutorial of UiPath activities, in this video we are going to see about activities, and they are click activity, double click activity, click image activity, double click image activity, click OCR text activity, double click OCR text activity. These are the activities that we are going to see in this tutorial, in this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button for more videos and click on the bell icon for daily notifications. And let's jump into the video. And firstly, you have to know about what is click and what is click activity in UiPath. And generally, the click is the main basic activity. The click and the type into are the main basic activities of UiPath, in which all the next activities will depend upon this entire activities. And you have to type something and you want to search for something, and these two are the main components to do that. And the name itself suggests it is a click activity which is used to click certain UI elements in the web browsers or in something else in the repetitive task that you have to do. And double click is it will click that twice, and there are some elements in the UI elements which objects are not noticed in the browsers. So in that case we will use click image, which is an image and not the object, to indicate the click. And click OCR text activity is if there is a text in this, we will use the click OCR text activity. And let's see the practical view of this click activity. And the first one is click activity. Click. Firstly, there is in this click activity, the first thing you have to do is indicate it on the UI screen and click on F2, which will give 3 seconds of time to get back to the one you want to click. And we will click on UiPath Studio Guide here, and let's see the selector, and let's click on run to see it is clicking the UiPath Studio Guide or not. See, it clicked the UiPath Studio Guide and the menu has opened here. And now what we will do is we will click on that home button. After this we will take the double click and we want to click on home button, right? And now save it and again run this. Now it will throw an error because there is no home activity there. So we will remove this, and this time what we are going to do is we will click on the user interface, and this is about the click on double click activity. And the second activity is click image activity, where there are no other objects that are visible to you, but you can also indicate the objects which are visible, and you can also use the click image there. We clicked on the introduction, right? And now what we are going to do is in double click image also it is same. You have to indicate the image and then it double clicks that image. And then the last final one is click OCR text activity, and for this you have to indicate it on wherever the text you have to take, and you have to retype the text which is here in the red box. Same here. Tutorials, and then save this file and then run this workflow, which clicked on tutorials. And this is about the click OCR text activity. It will retrieve the text in the web page and compares with this, and then click on that text. The double click OCR text is also same like the click OCR text. You have to indicate this particular text and then you have to retype that word in this box. And we have some common properties for both this click activity and type into activity, and we will see what are the common properties between all the activities in UiPath in the next video. And this is all about the click activities that are present in UiPath Studio. And uh, you can use this click activity in for searching something, and firstly we will type something and we will search for that, and there is the main use of this click activity. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching this video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click on subscribe button for more videos. Thank you.